Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Discord in your Windows in a very simple way. You just simply go for your Microsoft Store and here you will find a search option over here and then you can search for Discord over here. After that you will get a Discord app over here, so click on that and it will automatically redirect you to the Discord app installing section. You just need to simply click on install. And after a short time the downloading will be started. It's only 79.13 MB, so it will take some of minutes, so keep your patience. And you can see that the installation is completed. And now what do you need to do? Provide an update by Discord, etc. So now what you need to do, you just need to close this and then here you just need to search for Discord. Here is your Discord app. So if you click on open from here, your Discord is downloading an update into your Windows. It will take some of minutes. And you can see after taking a lot of updates and installing, it's now about to start Discord into your Windows. And from here, you just simply can log in from here into giving your email ID or phone number. You just need to give the password and then you just need to click login. So yeah, this is how you can download and use Discord into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.